side. So walk on through, the street is plenty wide.
Kitchen IQ, and I'm going to help you smarter in the kitchen. Let's get started. Let's talk about our customer's favorite piece, the edge grip. The edge grip is small enough that you can put it to your drawer in your kitchen and or in your tackle box if you like to go fishing. And it has a couple of great features. It has a coarse slot and a fine slot, and it also has a V slot in the back side. So what these benefits do is on the coarse slot, I like to use that if my knife is really dull. I can't cut paper, then I'm going to use the coarse slot. If my knife can cut paper, but I just want to make sure that my angles or that my knife is realigned and nice and straight, then I'll run through the fine slot. So, and the V slot, let me tell you the benefits of this. It is great because if you had a really long knife, when you come down on your countertop, you might scratch your counter or you might actually tip the top of your blade, which neither of those are good. So by having a slot on the back side, you're able to get a better position on that knife. So let me show you how to use it. Safety is key, so make sure you're standing when you're doing this. It always makes it easier also. Put the edge grip at the end of the counter, and what I'm going to do is run this knife through anywhere between 5 to 10 times on the coarse, and because this is dull, I am going to go through the coarse and then through the fine. And that's how easy it is to use.
When my patience walks the other side, so walk on through, the street is plenty wide. When my patience walks the other side, so walk on through, the street is plenty wide.